You clicked on this video for a reason, to watch Helluva Boss for free in 2025 without sketchy streams or wasting time. I got you, so stick with me. I'll show the legit places to watch, the fastest free routes, and what to avoid. Right now, all past Helluva Boss shorts and episodes are available for free on VivziePop's official YouTube channel. That's the easiest legal way to watch at no cost. Heads up, new episodes have a Prime Video partnership now, which means some premieres may hit Prime first before showing up on YouTube a short time later. If you want episodes day one, check Prime. If you want free, wait the standard YouTube window and you'll get them for free legally. Fast free route. Follow VivziePop on YouTube and hit the playlist. New uploads are posted there when the creators release them, and the channel stays the official free home for the series once the Prime window passes. If you don't want to wait, use a Prime trial or a carrier/ISP perk that includes Prime. Sign up for a free trial or activate the bundle. Watch what you want, then cancel before renewal. That gets you instant access without paying long-term. Household sharing works too. If someone in your house already has Prime, get added through their household or profile sharing rules so you can stream without buying another subscription. Always follow the provider's official sharing rules. Pro tip, don't pay for sketchy download sites or click random embeds promising full episodes. They're illegal, often malicious, and can get your account or device compromised. Always use YouTube, Prime, or official partner channels. Rotate tactics. Binge the YouTube uploads for free. Use short Prime promos or trials for day one access when needed. And keep an eye on carrier bundles during holidays for free Prime time. That's how people watch Helluva Boss without paying monthly. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment about the problem and I'll help you out.